Welcome to France. Roaming charges apply. $15 per day. That's $105 a week, just to use the phone you already own, on a trip you already paid for. Meanwhile, the 24-year-old backpacker sitting next to you on the plane paid $6 for the whole week. Same phone, same data, same Instagram bragging rights. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to make sure that never happens to you again. Welcome back to Travelwonderland, where we help you travel smarter, spend less on the stuff that doesn't matter, and spend more on the stuff that does. Like that second glass of Bordeaux. You've earned it. I'm your host, and today we are finally talking about eSIMs. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. eSIM? That sounds like something my grandkids set up on my phone and I still don't know what it does. Perfect. You're in exactly the right place. And for those of you who've heard of eSIMs but never actually pulled the trigger, also perfect. We're going to fix that today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an eSIM is, which one to buy, how to set it up in literally 3 minutes, and how to never pay a highway robbery roaming bill again. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the basics. What even is an eSIM? So, you know that little plastic chip, the SIM card, that lives inside your phone and connects you to your carrier? The one that's about the size of your pinky nail and somehow costs $40 to replace. An eSIM is the same thing, except it's built directly into your phone. No chip, no tray, no panicking at the airport because you dropped it in the terminal bathroom. True story, not mine, but someone's. eSIM stands for Embedded SIM, and here's the beautiful part. Instead of buying a physical card, you just scan a QR code or tap a button in an app, and boom, you have local data in whatever country you're visiting in about 3 minutes. That's faster than finding your gate at LAX. Now, and this is important, not all phones support eSIM, but if you have an iPhone XS or newer, a Samsung Galaxy S20 or newer, or most flagship Android phones from the last 4 years, you're good. Your phone already has this capability. You just haven't used it yet. Your carrier has been very quietly hoping you wouldn't find out. Let's talk about roaming charges, because I need you to understand the scale of what's happening here. The average international roaming plan from the big US carriers, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, runs anywhere from $10 to $15 per day. A 2-week trip to Europe? That's up to $210 just in phone charges. Let that land. You know what else costs $210 in Europe? A really good dinner for two, with wine and dessert and that little chocolate thing they bring you at the end that you didn't order but you're definitely eating. That is what you're choosing between, a roaming plan or a memory that'll outlast the data bill. Now here's the kicker. The local data you're roaming on, it costs the carrier pennies. The markup is absolutely breathtakingly audacious. And they've been getting away with it for decades because most people didn't know there was another option. There is another option. It's called an eSIM. It costs about $6 to $15 for a full week of data in most countries. And it works on the exact same networks your roaming plan uses. I'll give you a moment to feel your feelings about that. All right, so which eSIM should you actually buy? Because there are approximately 472 options out there, and I am not going to make you try all of them. I've done that. You're welcome. Here are the two I recommend for travelers over 60 who want reliable, simple, and, this is key, actually works when you land. Number 1, Airalo. It works in over 190 countries, and the app is genuinely easy to use. You open the app, search your destination, pick a plan, scan a QR code, and you're done. That's it. That's the whole process. Plans typically run $6 to $13 for 7 days of data, depending on the country. Europe, Asia, Latin America, they've got it all covered. For most international trips, Airalo is my first recommendation. It's reliable, it's affordable, and it doesn't require a computer science degree to set up. Number 2, Holafly. Holafly is for the traveler who doesn't want to think about data. Their plans are unlimited. You pay a flat fee for your trip, and you never have to watch a data counter ticking down while you're trying to Google best restaurants near me at 7 p.m. on a Tuesday in Rome. Because that is not the time to be rationing your gigabytes. Holafly costs a little more than Airalo, usually $15 to $30 for a week. But for heavy data users, the peace of mind is absolutely worth it. If you're someone who video calls the grandkids every evening, uses Google Maps obsessively, or is known to send approximately 47 photos a day to the family group chat, and you know who you are, Holafly is your eSIM. The quick comparison. Airalo, Holafly. Best for data-conscious travelers, heavy data users. Price $6 to $13 per week, $15 to $30 per week. Countries 190 plus 170 plus. Data set amount, for example, 5 gigabytes. Unlimited. Setup. QR code/app. QR code/app. Both are excellent. Pick based on how you use your phone. If you're not sure, go Holafly. Future, you will not regret it. Okay, you've picked your eSIM. Now let's set it up. And I promise, this is easier than programming your TV remote. Actually, I take that back. This is much easier than programming your TV remote. Step 1, download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download either Airalo or Holafly. Create a free account. Takes 2 minutes. Do this before you travel, not at the airport. Pro tip, do this at home, not at the airport, not on the plane, at home, with a cup of coffee, while you're calm and no one is rushing you to a gate. Step 2, buy your plan. Search for your destination, pick your data plan, and check out. It's like buying anything online. You'll receive a QR code by email. Step 3, install and activate. On iPhone, go to Settings, Arrow, Cellular, Arrow, Add eSIM, Arrow, Use QR code. Point your camera at the QR code. Follow the prompts. Done. On Android, Settings, Arrow, Connections, Arrow, SIM Manager, Arrow, Add eSIM. Same process. Your eSIM will sit quietly on your phone until the moment your plane lands. Then it wakes up, connects to the local network, and you have data. While everyone else is standing in line at the airport SIM kiosk, you'll already be in a cab sending your family a landed safely text. Living in the future feels good, doesn't it? Before we wrap up, let me save you from the 3 mistakes I see travelers make with eSIMs every single time. Mistake 1, forgetting to keep your regular SIM active. Your eSIM handles data. Your regular SIM still handles your US phone number. Calls and texts from home still come through. Don't remove your SIM card. You need both. Mistake 2, buying the plan too late. Some eSIM plans have an activation window, meaning they expire if you don't use them within a certain number of days after purchase. Buy yours no more than 2 weeks before your trip. Mistake 3, not checking phone compatibility first. Before you buy anything, Google your phone model plus eSIM compatible. 30 seconds, just do it. Avoid these 3 things and your eSIM experience will be completely seamless. You have my word, and I have a reputation to protect. So let's recap what we covered today. 1. Your carrier has been overcharging you for roaming for years, and it ends now. 2. Airalo is your best bet for most international trips. Holafly if you want unlimited and zero stress. 3. Setup takes 3 minutes. You can absolutely do this. And look, travel after 60 should feel like a reward. Like the universe finally saying, you showed up, you did the work, here's Paris. The last thing you need is a phone bill ruining the vibe. Now, I have put together a free international travel tech checklist that covers not just eSIMs, but everything you need on your phone before you leave the country. It's the exact list I give to my clients before every international trip. The link is in the description. It's free. Grab it. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe. Because next week, we're covering the travel apps that are quietly making overpaying for trips completely optional. Travel smart, travel happy. And for the love of everything, stop paying roaming charges. I'll see you next week. Go, La Go!